If you are confused between JavaScript and TypeScript and don't want to waste 6 months learning in wrong things, this video will save you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to learn first. JavaScript is the most popular programming language in the world. It runs in the browser, on the server, and even on mobile app. If you want to build website, JavaScript is unbeatable. JavaScript doesn't show you from making mistakes early. Error appear at runtime, not while writing code. TypeScript is JavaScript with superpower. It adds types on JavaScript so errors are caught before running the code. This small feature can save your hours or even day of debugging. So let's know the between difference between JavaScript and TypeScript. JavaScript is easy to learn, but TypeScript is something difficult or medium type. JavaScript can error detect on runtime. After TypeScript, you can error detect on compile time when you are coding. JavaScript is the beginner friendly, so you can easily learn JavaScript. But TypeScript is something hard. If you know JavaScript, if you learn JavaScript, then after TypeScript you will learn TypeScript very fast. In this time, job demand, JavaScript has very high job demand, but recently TypeScript has very high job demand. Large project you can in this coding, JavaScript is hard to maintain in large Java project, but TypeScript is perfect. Case 1. Absolute beginner. If you are completely new to programming, start with JavaScript. Reason: simple syntax, no type pressure, faster confidence. Case 2. Already know JavaScript. If you are already know JavaScript, even a little TypeScript is must to learn. Better job experience, cleaner code, industry standard like React or Next.js. Case 3. If you want to get job faster, learn JavaScript for 1 to 2 months, then switch to TypeScript is the best path. So, what company use TypeScript? Most of modern companies use TypeScript, like React.js, Next.js, Node.js, or enterprise level company application. That's why TypeScript level developer are paid more. If you want to a full TypeScript series from beginner to advanced, subscribe to my channel and comment TypeScript below.